Alright, today we're doing a lost key replacement for a 1998 Lexus GS300. We just picked this up from the dealership. We do some dealership work. Here's the original dealer key, not aftermarket. It's already been cut. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the chip data from this, program it into the ECU, drop it back off. They put it back in the car and it starts right up. I'll come back in a little bit. Alright, we're basically done. Keys now programmed into the ECU. That's about it. There's not much to say. Customer gets his back. It's going to be plug and play. We got called in on this one because they didn't want us to do the auto learn or the auto reset. Basically, literally, this is programmed in the ECU. Car won't know the difference. There's no key learning. Just plug and play at this point. So you need our help, give us a call. We'll tell you what we need. Or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.